There we go. 1971 AMC Ambassador. Canary yellow, all original paint, original interior, original everything. Runs great. Bought this from an original owner in 1999. I do have the original wheels and hubcaps for it, but they're 14-inch and those are hard to find tires, so I got some 15-inchers a few years ago and put them on there. I think they look good with it. It's got the 304 engine. Runs great. Interior looks pretty good except for the driver's seat, which needs to be recovered, but I do have the link on where to get the original fabric. Finally. It's going to take forever, or it took me forever to find the fabric, but there's a place in Oregon that sells it. Dash is in real good shape. Runs and drives great. I bought this from an original owner. He took really good care of it. Bunch of junk in the back because it is a station wagon and it holds stuff. Alright, hope you enjoy.